Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Aruna Dorairaj. I hope everyone are having a great day. Today, let's see 10 maths objective question spree with me, Aruna. We are actually in the road to do 40 maths objective question spree. So stay tuned for more information. Let's go to the next slide. So this is our first question. So our first question is 0.27 million. What is it in digits? So first what we do is write the number 0.27 here. Now since million has 6 zeros, we focus on that first. So what we have to do is move 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we just add a 0 on top each line. So then copy what you just wrote here. What number is it? 270,000. In this answer option, which one is 270,000? Very well, you're right. It is C. Next, a solid has the following characteristic. 5 flat surfaces and 5 corners, 8 edges. So 5 flat faces. So what in here you think has 5 flat surface? So cylinder has only 2, so I think we can just cut it. Cone there's only 1. You see, there's here, this is a flat surface, so I don't think so it's cone. For cylinder, there's one here and one here. There's one here, but here they ask for 5, so that's why we remove cylinder. Next is cuboid. Let's draw a cuboid and see. Is there 5 flat surfaces? Well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, the back one, 5, and 6. So automatically we know cuboid is not the answer. Without seeing this characteristic and this one, we already know that pyramid is the answer. So this is the tips of you saving time in maths paper 1. Right, now we are in question 324. Our first question is convert 8% to a decimal. So how do we do it? First, we have to write 8% in fraction form. So 8 over 100. And then we have to see whether it has a whole number or not. Since this fraction doesn't have a whole number, which means we have to convert it in decimal by putting 0 in the front. And then a decimal point. And then we have to see the denominator. There's 2 zeros here, which means we have to insert the 2 zeros, not in digits but in lines, which means let's draw 2 lines. Now let's see the numerator here. It is 8. Okay, so what we have to do is write the 8 in the 2 lines. So we have to write 0 and 8. We must not write 8 here. It is because these 8 will represent 80, 800 and more. Okay, it will not represent 0.08, which is 8 over 100. So let's see which of the answer option here same with this. You're right, it is C. Now let's go to question 4. Diagram 1 shows the position of a car on a Cartesian plane. What are the coordinates of the car? So first we have to focus on the x-axis, then the y-axis. So the x-axis shows 4 and the y-axis shows 5, which means the coordinates are 4 to 5. So the answer is automatically B. So that's all. We are done with question 3 and 4. Let's go to question 5 and 6. Alright, we are in question 5 and 6. So first, let's concentrate on question 5. What number that must be filled in the box? So now they're asking what is 6 liter and 7 milliliter in liters. How do we do that? Okay, now they're asking in liters. So what we have to do is first convert 6 into milliliter. There's actually two ways, so I'm going to show you the first way. 6 convert to milliliter, which means 6,000 milliliter. So 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. To find 1 milliliter times with 1000, to find milliliter to liter, divide 1000. Well, so 6 is 6000 milliliter and 7 is 7 milliliter. So first you have to plus 7 milliliter and then you will get 6007 milliliter. Now they ask in liter, which means you have to convert this into liter. So 1, 2, 3. You get 6.007. So we know the answer is A. Now let me show you the second method. Alright, second method. What is our second method is to convert this 7 milliliter into liter. So 7 milliliter, in order to find liter, we have to divide by 1000. So 1, 2, 3 decimal point. So here we add 0, 0 and in the front we add 6. So the same answer we also get A. So automatically we know that 5 is A. Next is 6. So 6, what they ask me to do is to plus and times. We have to be careful here. It's because we always have to do times and division first before doing plus and minus. So let's do the multiplication first. Alright, so 3078 times with 8. 3078 times with 8. So we put 64 there. 7 times 8, 56. 56 plus 6. 62. 24. Now 46219 plus with these number to get the answer. 624 plus with 46219. Alright, we got the answer. Now let's see whether our answer matches any of the answer in the answer option given. Alright, it's A. This is the answer. Now let's go to the next slide. Alright, we are in question 7 to 8. Now let's see the question 7. Diagram 2 shows a number line. Find the value of P. So P is not given, here is not given, and here is 1. Find the value of P. So here is 1 over 3 and then here is 1 over 2. So what can be here? Okay, let's see this. 1 over 3, 1 over 2. 2 over 3, 2 over 2. 3 over 3, 3 over 2. Okay, so this is how we do. So it's 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Here is 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. Okay, now let's see whether our answer is correct. So here's how we can check it. Here is 1. So as we see, 3 over 3 is also 1. So which means our answer is A. Next, 64050 divide by 61. Okay, so the answer is A. You could do multiplication 61 and just divide 64050 by 61 and eventually you'll get 1050. Okay, so that's all. We are done with question 7 to 8. Alright, we are down to question 9 to 10. Let's do question 9. 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 6. So now what we have to do is convert the operation to multiplication. 1 over 6, change the denominator and numerator. So 2 over 3 times with 6 over 1. Now let's do the simplify method. 1, 2. So 2 over 1 times 2 over 1 is 4 over 1. 4 over 1 is 4. So the answer is A. Right? So how do I do is because 4 over 1 equals to 4. Okay. At the same time, 4 over 4 equals to 1. Next is number 10, 5.709. They asked, how do we partition it? So how do we do is by saying here. So this is the 10th, this is the 100th, and this is the 1000. So here have to be by 10, by 100, and by 1000. Alright, so which one has that? Okay, so there's no 100. Okay, which means this is wrong and this is wrong. Let's come down to these A and D. So first 7 is 10, but here's 1000, which means it's not A too. So the answer is D. Well done everyone, we are done question 1 to 10 in almost 10 minutes. I don't think so it's even 10 minutes because of the explanation. It took a bit time, but we managed to finish this 10 objective question easily. So thanks everyone for that, and part 2 is coming soon, so stay tuned. In part 2 we will be discussing question 11 to question 20. If you like my videos and would like to see more, please support me by clicking the subscribe, like and notification button. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.